Ohayou gozaimashita. Yoru?
Don't talk to me.
Oh, hello there, Yoru.
You still haven't paid me back for the ramen that we ate yesterday.
They will handle it.
You're rich, and you're not even paying me.
Well, I use my credit cards for my trap.
That is why you don't have money anymore.
I'd say it's practical, you know?
It's called disposable income.
Ohayou gozaimashita, Reina. I've learned some Japanese from my friend here, Yoru.
What's up?
So
I still don't like you.
Well, he's more of tsundere. He really likes me. He's just not saying it.
Oh, I can tell.
Yep.
So, Reina,
Dude, your voices.
I have a question for you, Reina. Who do you think is more handsome, me or him?
Of course. Why do you always ask this
guys.
question? It's me.
Oh no, it's,
No,
it's her.
me.
Well,
It's her,
you
Chamber.
are
Don't-
not even on the list.
I'm more beautiful than you. Shut up.
That's what all the men say.
Wait, I'm freaking out. You guys are so good.
Salamat, thanks.
Yes, as she said. Salamat, thanks.
Yeah, what Neon said.
Wait, you guys are Filipino?
Well, I'm French and he's Japanese. Does that make us
Okay.
Filipino?
I'm out of here.
Stop stealing the baguettes.
Don't die on me, Reina. You are my baguettes and butter.
Baguettes and
Planted. Forgive me.
Forgive you for what? Being such a good teammate? I should be the one who's sorry. My apologies.
So sorry for not paying the ramen.
I see you can draw. But my heart does not look like that.
No.
Oh,
I've got your trail.
my
just
apologies.
destroyed-
He's just very,
Still inside.
I hate love.
he's just very jealous.
Defenders win.
My apologies. That I don't even know what to say at this point. Oh, just don't run your mouth, Yoru. Just get at least one kill, yes?
Poison's gone.
Wait, I don't have a kill yet?
You don't.
How dare you go there? Who's more handsome? Chamber? Of course it's me.
Of course. What do you mean?
We've
That
asked like
is me.
multiple people right now.
Well,
we have 15 on me.
okay. If you ask
You only
men,
have 2 votes.
If you ask men, they always say it's Yoru. When I ask women, why is it always me? You are gay.
I know your tricks,
Gotta
little
go.
girl. You're not faster than me.
Oh, that's not the only fast thing that you can do.
Go, go, go.
He freaking sent me a friend request. Why?
Wow. You sent him a request and not me? How dare you? Don't talk to me.
Because I am hot. Yes, Jet? We talked about this.
Spist all of it.
Your
Gotta go.
mic is too low, Jet.
Jet,
Let me hear your beautiful
who do you think
voice
is more
one time.
handsome? Me or Chamber?
Of course, it's gonna be me, yes?
How dare you? Let her decide.
I've been loving you guys.
See?
Sleeping. Fuck both
She
of you.
is all mine.
She's all mine.
Do you wanna get married?
Enemy A.
Well,
Play the game first, goddammit.
oh, you're so jealous. Jet, come here. Honey.
Oh my god. Valentine's
The
is already
important
over.
question is, how old are you?
It doesn't matter.
Okay, I'm
Okay.
calling the cops.
Oh no. I'm calling it off. No. I am calling it off.
Oh, she has friends with her.
That is pretty funny.
Quick feet.
Yes? What was that?
Oh my god, is that a yes?
What?
Okay, I'm dialing the cops right now.
Enemy A.
Just tell me your age and this will
So,
be out
child
of the way.
services. We have a French pedophile here.
Oh God, no.
Spike planted.
No, wait.
Jet, I have a question for you.
Men
So you
simp
want
for
me
me.
to in your go?
Yes, whatever the fuck that is.